Yeah, so hi everybody. Thanks for tuning in and subscribing and liking and all of that. It's great. My channel is really growing. I want to say thanks. I've got over 3,000 subscribers now, so that's brilliant. Thank you, every single one of ye who have subscribed. Yeah, and if you're new to the channel, sure, why not hit that subscribe button? I don't understand all these algorithm stuff and all, right, but if you hit subscribe and like and share, that helps me tremendously, I believe. So I don't usually ask this much, but I'm kind of asking it now. Yeah, so anyways, I've been procrastinating about this for the last 2 years to do up a little room I have here in my house and make it me camping kit, because like it just, everything just get, I come home from camping, um yeah, and my bag's on the floor, and then I'm going through it, and then I'd have stuff out that I decided not to put in the bag. So I've dedicated this room all to just camping. Now I will say at this point as well, is that two paces there? I will okay, so I will say at this point in time, okay, I'm not Paul Messner. He's a very nice guy. I like his channel. People are giving him abuse for some reason. I don't know why. He is a nice lad. But like every bit, if you watch my channel over the last 4 years or so, you'll see all of this equipment getting used down and dirty all the time with me. So it's not I've gone out load of dollars, flashed out loads of money. I've saved for all of this bit by bit, and I've built it up. So yeah, so look, without further ado, I'll give us all a quick look and just the way I organised it and all, and I'm delighted. Okay, back down. Okay, so here we are inside. It's actually walk-in. I'll show you down the bottom now, but I have me Bergen, me hiking pack, which is a low Air Pro, low Alpine Air Pro 45. That's an MFH Bergen bag that I got from Military Force. It's a brilliant bag. That's another Military Force bag that I use for tools and stuff. Picked them up in Aldi for a tenner, or sorry, Lidl. You couldn't walk by them. It's 10 bungee cords. I have them in other bags as well. Cooler bags, more bags, cooler bags. And a big pot. That's a camera bag, and that's a fully waterproof camera bag as well. I shoot with Canon, I don't shoot with Nikon. So then we're down here. So we'll have a look in the corner here. Oh, that's a new D&D tarp that I've got, that I haven't camped in, I haven't used yet. I picked that up a few weeks ago. That's a D&D 4x4 hammock that I have used 2-3 times now. Thermarest pillow. That's rain gear. That's a great all-in-one Prima stove cook kit. That's a 3x3 tarp, my older tarp that I always used. Yeah, so I have all of that, kind of the bigger things up there. And then what I did with this is I made that into kind of it's a bench, or that's what I use it for. So, oh yeah, and I didn't go out and shop and buy loads of stuff. I used what things I had in my house. I could have gone up and fitted loads of this and that, but I done this only with what's things I had in house, buckets and so on, and bits of IKEA furniture and that. Yeah, so I didn't go on this side. I have me different sleeping bags, summer, autumn, light summer snug pack there. Me winter one, that comes with a pillow down there. Me winter one to -5 comfort up there, and that's for bags. That's another 80 litre Van Gogh bag that I have for 22 years. Yeah. So down here, I put all my kind of cooking hardware. You can see Derek the Dutch oven there, my table, various bits of other hardware cooking kit. Yeah, grills are in there, chair, and then my Pomeli. That's my stove foot. That's my Van Gogh Banshee. Down under here, oh, that's the ground sheets, other bits and pieces, yeah, of various bits and pieces. So hang on, I'll show you this then. So this drawer comes out, before it comes out. So I've got like titanium tokes, boundless foil, various titanium kit here, alcohol stove, kegs, twig stove, yeah, gas, you know, those bits and pieces like that. I noticed there my water filter is in there as well, so that just goes back in there. And then this is the multifunctional part that I like about it there. The light's good again. Just put me, that's my Terra Nova tent there, and the poles and the pegs. That's another bag I have. That's an urban bag I use. It's I think it's called the Vector 30. Yeah, and that's an urban bag I use. I've brought it on a couple of camps and hikes as well. But that's a 30 litre one. And then this. So this acts as, when I go all right, I'm taking this bag here with me. It acts as my setup area then. You know, I can take my hardware, my heavier stuff, bum bum bum, and then I can take out my kitchen stuff, bum bum bum, very easy. And then I can get down to all this. Some I take like all the time, like a medical pack, this side pouch for my phone, and my little Opinel knife is in there, my gloves, yeah, there's various. Oh, I should show you this actually. We interrupt this for a public service announcement. This is an emergency blanket. Look them up. Or sorry, an emergency bandage. Yeah, it's called an Israeli bandage. Okay, so look them up. Okay, if you're using an axe, you should have one of these. I won't show you all then. I won't open it either to sterilise it, but these are very useful piece of kit. I've been meant to show you this for the months now. A useful bit of kit if you're going to be using an axe. Okay, so yeah, and various other stuff like straps for tarps, my Helican Tex poncho, various water canteens, tactical belt, gloves, that's all stuff that I made, bungee cords and everything. Yeah, my silky saw, my axe is up there. I'm waiting for the sheet to come back, so I just have it in there. Yeah, so that's just a quick video. Just like finally organised it all. And those of you who are subscribed to me for a long time will recognise all those stairs, bits and pieces of kit from various videos that I've done over the years. Okay, I'll turn this back around. Yeah, so I hope it's like that quick demonstration of some of my skills when I've nothing to do. Yeah, so I'm happy with that, and now my camping gear is arranged. So for all my subscribers who wives give out to them there, like show them this there that I showed just how to tidy everything up, or maybe just inspire just to get going, you know, and to do it. Yeah, so look, I'll be out this weekend, so we're filming a video. I've got a butcher with me, and so make sure you subscribe to watch that. It's going to be really fun. We're going to cook something on Derek the Dutch oven and just show this. So look, back soon. Thanks everybody for watching. Love and peace. Ciao for now. Bye bye.